When I pour the acid in, it's going to start turning black. Now, you can probably see the sugar starting to change color a little bit. Hope that I can generate the heat necessary.
What's causing the color change?
It's taking the water, the H2O, out of the sugar, and the black color that you see is just pure carbon.
So right now you're heating it up with your hands?
I'm just trapping the heat because if I can get it hot enough initially, then it'll keep itself going at a rate sufficient for the column of carbon to grow out of the beaker.
What's that sound coming from?
Oh! What the heck?
Oh.
Is that what happens to your lungs when you smoke?
No. So that column is just pure carbon.
I'm guessing it's not edible like an arrow bar?
No, if you put your face in there, it would kind of smell like marshmallows, but then the vapor would go up your nose. The vapor's full of sulfuric acid. So at first it would smell kind of pleasant like at a roasting marshmallows, but then it would burn.
Aiden could probably eat that though.
Let's go, Aiden, let's go.
Oh my God, that's so true.
Could you also explain as to why it just starts heating itself up?
Because it's exothermic. It's
yeah, that's right.
Every reaction is either gives off energy or absorb it.
Yep.
This definitely gives it off. Okay?
Yeah, so what exactly causes it to be exothermic, Doug?
Sulfuric acid's affinity for water. This is just carbon.
Oh my God.
So it's black, it's carbon, and the bubbles are water vapor. Right? So if you're considering a science, my favorite is chemistry. And it's still my favorite after 40 years of teaching it. So thanks very much.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you, Mr. Toth, for sharing all of these cool experiments.
My pleasure.
I'm Tobin, this is James, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.